that was pretty quick. So I'm back. This is part 2. This is TC, also known as Rhonda, or Rhonda also known as TC. But anyway, I think this is really gonna work because just me over it opened up my chest. I'm like, wow. So anyway, I hope you all can see this. I just brought it to a boil, and after I brought it to a boil, I cut it off. So what I'm doing now is I am going to just pour it through the sifter. I don't think you guys can see that. Let me pull it over a little bit. Well, let me move my camera over a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. So what I'm doing is just pretty much taking it from the pot and I'm going to sift it. And it smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Lemon, limes, and now I don't have to do all of it in front of you guys, but just to show you, this is a homemade plant over peels. See, you could do this right at home at your convenience. Make you a tea. And this tea right here is supposed to help when you're dealing with mucus and phlegm, whatever you want to call it. But I just wanted to try this recipe out, and I want to share it with you guys, and I will definitely let you know what is the response to this. I know one thing, it smells good, and it's all natural. And see, guys, this is what we rather do. We rather do plants over peels. So thank you for enjoying coming into my Monday world. Make it happen Monday. Move it Monday. Magnificent Monday. Remember one thing. You are a thermostat, not a thermometer. See, guys, you know what that means? You control the temperature of your life. Attack it with something healthy. So thank you for tuning in, and always remember, life is too fragile not to enjoy. So y'all better go on and enjoy the day on purpose, or enjoy tonight or tomorrow. And I'll see you next time.